Hello, my name is Cesar Bartolini from Rescue Kitchen Dubai. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing British classic fish and chips. You can find all the ingredients in the description below, so let's do this. For the batter we got some plain flour, rice flour, baking powder. So you mix all the dry ingredients first. I'm going to give it a good mix, okay, everything nice mixed together. Non-alcoholic beer, that goes in. Give it a good mix. Sparkling water in. I'm not gonna add all in one go because I want to make sure the consistency is just right for the batter. Some flour will take more liquid than other, even if you use the same brand every time. You want the batter to be not too thick and not too thin at the same time, just like in between. I need the rest of it. Don't worry about the lumps. Lumps are good, yeah, so don't overdo it with the mix, all the mixing of the batter. Yeah, and we give it a good mix. And you can see it's kind of in between, not too thick, not too thin. Keep that in the chiller. At least you can do this half an hour, 45 minutes before, so it's nice and cold. That will help with the crispiness when we fry the fish. Into the chiller we go. So next we're gonna do is our tartar sauce. It's so much better if you make your own rather than buy it. Mayonnaise goes in. Chopped capers, diced gherkins, chopped shallots, chopped parsley and dill, bit of lemon zest, and a splash of Worcester sauce. Give it a good mix. Look how beautiful that is. Keep it in the chiller until it's time to serve. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the most amazing homemade chips at home. For them I use agria potatoes. They are my favorite variety as they get like super crispy. So we get potatoes. It depends on the size. We're gonna cut them in between 6 to 8 wedges. First we're gonna blanch them in hot boiling water for around 10 minutes with a good amount of salt. There is no fish and chips without its mushy peas. So for it I'm using frozen peas. Nothing wrong with frozen peas, actually they're amazing. In they go, in a blender, some mint leaves. Blitz it all together, adjust seasoning, and you're gonna keep them on the side until we're ready to serve. And here we have them, our incredible mushy peas. They look amazing and the smell is incredible. Potatoes been boiled, so we're gonna pre-fry them at 140 degrees between 7 and 10 minutes depending on the thickness of your potatoes. This will help the potato to form a nice coating on the outside. Chips ready. Look at the amazing, beautiful golden color, and we just cool them down and leave them ready for the final fry when we're about to serve. For my fish and chips, today I'm using cod. You can get your fishmonger to clean it all nicely for you. Take the skin off and all the pin bones out. Always season your fish. Once the fish is all lovely seasoned, you got plain flour with salt and pepper as well. Just make sure all the fish is nicely covered in the flour and remove any excess by just tapping it. We remove all the excess. I'm gonna dip it into our butter. Hold it by the tail. Make sure it's all nice and covered. Let it drip a little bit of the excess of the butter. So I set up my fryer at 180 degrees. Hold the fish for a couple of seconds and then just let it go. We're gonna fry it for about 7 to 8 minutes. Our fish is beautiful, nice and crispy. Look at that butter, it's just amazing. Onto crispy paper. For the chips, 180 degrees. Go in the fryer for about 4 to 5 minutes until they get like super nice golden brown, nice crispy. Our chips are now ready, beautiful golden brown. Shake the fryer to get a bit of the excess oil out and onto absorbent paper. Sprinkle of sea salt. We got the most amazing chips. For an authentic British experience, I'm just gonna use newspaper as a traditional chippy shop. We get our amazing chips, great piece of fish, homemade tartar sauce, mushy peas, and a little bit of sea salt to finish it off. And there you have it, the most amazing fish and chips. Just gonna have a little look inside. Look at the butter, super crispy. Fish cooked to perfection. Gonna squeeze a bit of lemon juice. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Until next time.